Are you looking for the best hand mixers? In this video we will look at some of the 6 best mixers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Breville Handy Mix Scraper. This 9-speed model features what Breville calls Beater IQ technology, which, according to the brand, can recognize the attachment you've inserted, beaters, dough hooks or whisks, and automatically adjust the required speed. I found this worked well with whipping cream and didn't slow down or stall while mixing thick cookie dough. The beaters have a silicone coating to help prevent scratches on cookware and dampen the loud clanking that can sometimes be caused by beaters hitting the sides of the bowl. Plus, it features a built-in timer and a light that turns on during beating to help you see into the bowl, ensuring everything is incorporated. It also comes with a case, so you can easily store the attachments. How it performed in our tests: Breville's hand mixer earned top scores in our testing, excelling at whipping egg whites, beating cake batter and kneading bread dough. It was a top performer, mixing thick oatmeal raisin cookie dough with ease and creating some of the fluffiest whipped cream. At number 2. Hamilton Beach 6-Speed Electric Hand Mixer. Hamilton Beach hand mixers have excelled in past testing, so it's no surprise this model performed well. The mixer is equipped with 6 speed settings and a quick burst button, which provides an extra dose of power to whip through tough ingredients like firm cream cheese. The handle was comfortable to hold and the simple flip switch that toggles between speeds is easy to use. Our pros appreciated the bowl rest feature, which allows you to rest the back of the mixer on the edge of the bowl, keeping the beaters securely in place rather than dripping onto the counter when you need to take a pause. Another convenient feature is the snap-on case, which neatly stores the 2 beaters, whisk and cord along with the mixer. How it performed in our tests: it whipped up heavy cream with ease and made cake batter that was smooth. Take note, I found this hand mixer struggled with mixing oatmeal raisin cookie dough thoroughly, so it's better for less dense doughs and baking tasks. I also had to pause to clear the beaters more often. At number 3. Braun Multi-Mix 5 Hand Mixer. The Braun Multi-Mix 5 is a versatile hand mixer with 9 speed options. It comes with 2 multi-whisk beaters, which the brand claims are uniquely shaped to whip, mix and beat, and also includes 2 dough hooks. We like that the rotating dial allows you to easily swap between incorporating flour into a batter and folding nuts into a dough. Our experts found the whisks easy to clean because the tines are wider and more spread out than typical beaters. Plus, all of the attachments are dishwasher safe. We appreciated the storage pouch to keep them all together. How it performed in our tests: this mixer aced our egg white whipping test and our cookie dough test, so you can use it for delicate foods and heavy baked goods alike. At number 4. KitchenAid 6-Speed Hand Mixer with Flex Edge Beaters. This hand mixer truly stands out. It's one of the lightest we tested, weighing only 2 pounds. I appreciated the lighter weight, as my arms and hands didn't get as fatigued while mixing. Similar to the Breville, but at a lower price, it features beaters wrapped in silicone to prevent clanking against the mixing bowl. In addition to the Flex Edge beaters, it also comes with a whisk attachment. With 6 speeds, this mixer can handle a range of mixing tasks, from light stirring to more intense beating. It also comes in fun colors like Contour Silver, Empire Red, and Ice Blue. We like the clever storage design, featuring a clip that attaches to the underside of the mixer, allowing everything to stay together without the need for a storage container. How it performed in our tests: it handled thick cookie batter with ease, producing cookies with perfectly crisp edges and a soft, tender center. It also whipped up 2 cups of heavy cream quickly and efficiently. At number 5. Cuisinart Power Advantage Plus 9-Speed Handheld Mixer. This Cuisinart hand mixer comes with a versatile array of accessories for a variety of baking needs: 2 beaters for beating cake batter or buttercream frosting, a whisk for whipping egg whites or cream, 2 dough hooks for kneading bread or pizza dough, and a spatula to help you scrape down the side of your bowl. It has 9 speeds, including 3 low start speeds that help prevent splattering, so you can gently mix ingredients on the 1st or 2nd speed or beat through tough batter with the 8th or 9th. All of the attachments are dishwasher safe and store neatly in a snap-on case. We appreciated that the cord swivels, allowing the mixer to be easily used by right or left-handed people. It checked all the boxes of what we are looking for in a corded model. How it performed in our tests: the whisk attachment is small but mighty, producing airy whipped cream, and the small size prevents too much splashing. At number 6. Oster hand mixer with heat soft technology. If you're someone who forgets to soften your butter ahead of baking, this hand mixer from Oster is a great option. It has a built-in fan that will blow warm air into your mixing bowl to gently soften cold butter, no more waiting around for uneven microwaving. I've used this mixer at home for over 2 years, and I love the heat softening technology when I forget to take my butter out ahead of time. It has also proven to be durable, with no issues, and the beaters are very sturdy. It comes with beaters, dough hooks and a whisk attachment that all fit into a snap-on container. How it performed in our tests, we found that this mixer was able to soften butter within 1.5 minutes, in contrast to the 30 minutes it usually takes for butter to soften when left at room temperature. We liked how comfortable the handle was to hold, and we appreciate that the base can sit upright when not in use so dirty beaters won't touch the kitchen countertop.